Zonked. Decoding the Lingo. Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we are diving into a fun and informal phrase used in English, zonked. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it in your conversations. Zonked is an informal slang term. It is often used to describe someone who is extremely tired or exhausted. Imagine coming home after a long day at work or after a marathon. That's when you might feel zonked. Though the exact origins of the term, zonked, are not clear, it's believed to have emerged in the 1950s or 60s. Initially, it referred to the effect of drugs or alcohol, implying someone was out of it or intoxicated. Over time, its meaning broadened to also refer to general exhaustion or tiredness, even without any substance involvement. Let's look at a few examples. 1. After the 10-mile hike, I was completely zonked. 2. I stayed up all night watching movies, and now I'm zonked. 3. She looked zonked after studying for hours. Notice how the term is flexible and can describe tiredness from physical exertion, lack of sleep, or intense concentration. It's always good to know alternative words or phrases. Here are some synonyms for zonked: exhausted, drained, beat, worn out, knackered, mostly used in British English. And that wraps up our quick journey into the world of zonked. Now, the next time you're feeling extremely tired or hear someone else use the term, you'll know exactly what it means. We hope you found this video insightful, and remember, language is all about having fun and continuously learning. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.